Verifying your bank account on Stripe is an essential step to ensure you can receive payments smoothly. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe account by visiting the Stripe website and entering your login credentials. Ensure you have administrative access to perform the verification. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Add your bank account. If you haven't added your bank account yet, click on the option to add a new bank account. Enter the required details, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. After adding your bank account, Stripe will initiate a verification process. This may involve sending small deposits to your bank account. Check your bank statements for these deposits, which usually appear within a few days. Step 5. Complete the verification. Return to your Stripe account and enter the amounts of the deposits you received. Once you input the correct amounts, your bank account will be verified, allowing you to receive payments without any issues. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Stripe. This will enable you to manage your transactions effectively and ensure a smooth payment process.